First, we begin by importing the component Decorator from the Angular core library. This decorator is essential for defining a class as an Angular component. We then define our component, giving it a selector app item list. This selector is used in the template of another component to embed this item list component. Within the template, we use the structural directive *ngif to conditionally render our list only if there are items present. If the items array has a length greater than 0, the list will be displayed. We use ngFor, another structural directive, to iterate over each item in the array. For each item, we create a list item element and bind the item's value to be displayed within the list item. We close the unordered list HTML tag here, concluding the part of the template that is responsible for displaying the items in our list. For the scenario where the items array is empty, we use an Angular ing template with a template reference variable noItems template to define a fallback view that simply displays the text no items. Our template definition ends here. With the combination of *ngif and ing template, our component now can conditionally display the list or a no items message. We declare the item list component class and initialize the items array as an empty array. This class will be exported so that it can be used in other parts of our Angular application. Here we create an add items method which, when called, will populate the items array with 3 example strings. This simulates adding items to our list. Finally, we implement the clear items method, which clears the items array by setting it to an empty array once again. This change will trigger the display of the no items message, demonstrating dynamic content based on the array's state.